Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's needing help putting a round logo onto a champagne flute, and I had her had them send me some pictures with at least one measurement, and she sent a couple. When you're doing this for real, it would be better to take a picture where you could, it's kind of hard to explain, you can see the top of the glass. So we're guessing how long this glass is. So we really have to kind of go right through here with a zero marker, but that can be done. So, and there's also a problem with the logo being white background, so this will probably be a two-part. But how did I get that and make it sized? So first of all, this is huge picture. I am going to make a duplicate of it by hitting the plus key on the keyboard in case I mess something up. Then I'm going to select this picture, and you need to select it first, and then grab the crop tool, and without really being zoomed in, you can kind of get it close, and then we can go right to the top of the glass, right to the edge of the glass, and the stem might be, and see what, so what I'm doing, instead of going here, I'm going to the bottom of the glass, or of the 8. So what I'm saying, if you had a picture that almost dead on where you could only just see this lip, you get a better measurement, but this will work. And then I'm gonna go crop. Okay, this picture is 26 inches tall, where the glass is only 8, or a little bit under 8, but I'm just gonna call it 8. So what we need to do is select our glass with our ratio locked, make the glass 8 inches tall. So now that is a perfect copy size to that glass. So she sent me the logo, and I'm going to clean it up in a second logo or a second video, but she did have it oriented in the file right, 90 degrees. Turn your glass at 90 degrees, and I don't know why you have a 2x2 page. Let's say your laser is 24 by 12. I don't really know. And then get that out of there and take this logo and put it in there. Now she also, I think in the first email, she said she wanted to make it 3 inches. Well, the glass is only, that's one thing you've got to kind of look at. The glass is only 2¼ inches big. You don't want too much of the logo wrapping around. You want to be able to see it. So I'm going to make this logo with the ratio locked. You see it's a little bit taller than wider. That doesn't matter. I'm going to make it 2 inches. I guess it should make it 20, make it 2. I had my number lock unlocked. So now it's 2x2. So that's what it's going to look like on the glass. And then if you have, I don't know about all lasers, but like Epilogue has a center, and you can put your dot there and engrave it center. And I'm going to put a link on this video to a video that shows you how to create this logo, because it's going to be a little bit egg-shaped. It's hard to look at it like that, so let's turn it back, everything back to 0. It's going to be a little bit egg-shaped because when the laser rotary turns, it's going to look like an egg. So I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video that'll show you how to compensate for an egg shape, or for that circle, and make it so if it's going to, you could take the logo and just kind of stretch it out. And even though that looks funny, and you can do some tests. And my suggestion, so we're going to make it, and it would really be better if I had the whole logo done. I'm going to make it 2x2. And if you hold down the control button and make a perfect circle that is 2x2. I see I had my ratio unlocked. And if you'll make it like half a point, and if you'll take the glass and wrap it in a blue painter's tape, do not put the tape on the dry wheels. You can, but then it could possibly be a little bit off. And then you could run this circle on your glass, we need to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. You could run this job with this circle and run it like at 100 speed and 20 power, let's say, or even less. No, yeah. I would take a piece of tape and put on a scrap piece of wood and see what your laser is going to take just to mark the tape and not burn all the way through the tape to hit the glass. And then with the link to the other video, you'll be able to make it whatever size it needs to be to make it more round or round equaler when you run the glass. So look for the video at the bottom of this one, the link to that video, and then in the second video of this, we're going to clean this logo up because you can see that it's got a white background all the way around it. But that'll be part 2 because it's a pretty easy one. You can see, and you would definitely, some lasers aren't going to mark that white, but we don't know what color that white is. And it could, especially in glass, it could minutely engrave the glass a little bit. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.